All right, guys. Now, what we are doing is we're actually laying the foundation, right? Remember, this is the basic. This is the basic in geometry. Exactly. This is the basic geometry. So don't worry yourself. We are going to something more other than this. But let's start from the basic, and that's what we're doing so far, right? So follow us close. Question number 3. Given a circle with radius 5 cm, calculate the circumference of the cycle. Take pi as 3.14. All right. Options are 10.7, 15.7, 18.5, and 31.4 cm. So let's go to the board and see how we can solve question number 3. Talking about what circumference. Okay, question number 3. Now, when you hear the word cycle, all right, the circumference right of a cycle, it means what the surrounding, all right, that is called the circumference. Is that okay? So we have the circumference given to us as 2 pi r. All right, 2 pi r. This is the formula to calculate the circumference of a cycle. That is r, right? 2 pi r. That is the circumference of a cycle. So what is the radius? Let me take a look at the radius they give to us. Okay, let me not make mistake. All right, so the radius is 5 cm. All right, the radius is 5 cm. So let me show you what is called radius. Let me show you something here. All right, okay, let me clear that. Now look at the circle, right? The radius is from the center of the cycle to the edge, to any of the edge. Okay, from this center here to any of the edges of radius. Then if you are to cut across the whole of it, that is called diameter. Exactly, that is diameter, d. All right, that is diameter. So your diameter is actually 2 times of the radius. Exactly. Why the radius is diameter divided by 2. The diameter, that is the whole of the length, is the diameter. Okay, so that's what we're going to get. All right. So we have to now solve the circumference of the cycle. Exactly, that's what we want to do, right? So on that note, we're going to say C equals 2 pi r, like I mentioned. All right. The radius is given to us as 5 cm. The radius according to me is 5 cm. So your circumference is going to be 2 times of pi, which is known as 3.14 times 5. Exactly, times 5. Happy new, you see what I'm writing in my board. Okay, all right, I have 2 times pi times 5. So what I'm going to do is to take my pi. 2 times 5, of course, is 10. All right, so I'm going to get 10 times 3.14. all right, your pi is 3.14 according to the value that was given to us in the question. So what do you do in a case like this? Now you have to multiply by 10. This is 0, right? So on that note, when you are multiplying by any digit like 0, the point here will go to move to the back once. Go to move to the back once. If you are dividing, go to your left. If you are multiplying, go to the right. So these points go to the back or to the right one step. That gives us 31.4. So this is going to give us what, 31.4 centimeter. All right, as the circumference of the cycle. 31.4 cm will give us the answer. Okay, to you, this will be the result. Please always replay the video. If I'm too fast, replay the video until you get full understanding, right? Let's go down that question. We are going to have maybe 1 or 2 more questions and then we're going to call it again, right? God bless you.